Shine TV. If it is your first time of coming across my video, hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have subscribed before, thank you and God bless you. Press the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to see. Today I will be preparing sauce for rice. This is verdura, or look what I will be preparing. Okay, here are the ingredients I'm using. I shall show you before. I show you everything before. Now I removed them from the cellophane already. Now I am about to start. I have my pot already in the fire, and this is the oil I'm using to cook it. So let's get started. Sorry guys, this is pepper I'm going to be using because I have no fresh pepper. I did not even know that I have no fresh pepper at home, so this is the I will be using grounded pepper. So let's get started. First of all, I have to add salt, followed by onions, this verdura is nice, it's good for body, so not every time food, so I just try to make something different today. So I hope you guys enjoy my video. Just want the onions to be still before I put the verdura inside. Now the verdura can go inside. I'm doing all the low because I'm alone today. Okay, now I put pepper already inside, followed by the crayfish. I wash it already. Just want to make something different today. This is just what came to my mind, because I was really, it's long I'm not eating it, more than 1 month, but I've not make it for my video, for my channel. Sorry guys, this is the first time I'm making it for my channel, but I always cook it. So today I just want to make something different, like the other day. Now I will be adding fish miluza. Pardon me, I'm alone, so I have to do it all alone because I'm at home, I'm alone. So now I have to leave it at least for 10 minutes. The food will be ready. It smells so nice. I hope you guys enjoy my video. Please make this channel popular by subscribing. I count on you guys. Press the notification button and click all, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first person to see it. Now I have to cover it up. Right now I want to boil rice. in the next 5 minutes. My sauce is ready. Oh man. I want to turn the sauce for a minute. The smell of the sauce is too nice. Wow. You guys are missing. I will call you to come and join me when I'm eating it, you know, so that you guys will not miss it so much. Don't worry, I will call you guys to join me. Wow. Let me taste it. This is so nice. So I have the other pot in the fire because I want to cook rice. I want to boil small rice. I don't need the one that will remain, just only once before my kids will come back. They went outside with their father, so now I am preparing the sauce before they will come back. So my children, they love Vedura so much, so it's their favorite food. Okay, now the water is boiling already. I have to put rice. I have to put 2 cups of this. I don't want so much rice. Put in the second cup. See, the other one is here. Well, in the next few minutes I will remove it from here. It should be ready in the next few minutes. I'm just washing the rice to parboil. I parboiled it already. I'm just washing it now so that I can put it back to the fire to brown. Hey guys, I have to filter the rice. Guys, anyhow you see this video, just take it because I'm the only one that is recording this food. I'm cooking, I'm recording. It's not so easy for one person to be doing the video and the cooking. So pardon me, anyhow you see it. Take it from me. Pardon me. Pardon me. Okay guys, as you can see, the water is boiled already. I want to put rice now. Here was the vegetable before the spicing. See, it's here now because I bring it here. This one is ready. So I just put the pot here to boil the rice. I have to add oil because I love adding oil on my rice because I don't like when the rice is dry. So now I'll be adding, I put salt already. I'll be putting it inside. Well, I like when the rice boil already with the warm one. I don't want it to be sticky. That is why I'm adding that oil. So I love using it that way. I have to cover the pot now. At least the rice should be ready at least for 25 minutes, less than. Okay guys, as you can see, my food is ready. My vegetable sauce is ready. This is outcoming of my vegetable and rice. Thank you guys for joining me today. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have not done that, please do it. Thank you. See you for my next video. Bye bye.